Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel Life of Maddie. My name is Madhura, and this is a series of I am exploring this new country called Abu Dhabi, which I have recently moved into. And all this series and these videos are going to be maybe about that, not about that, my life, Abu Dhabi life, whatever life. Okay, I'm just blabbering, okay, because I'm still new at making videos, but please keep loving them so that I'm encouraged still to make them. So today's video, I'm going to talk about unpacking my life in this new country. I didn't think I would ever leave Mumbai. It was loud, noisy, chaotic, inconvenient, but it was still my city. And here I am in Abu Dhabi, which is exactly the opposite. It is quiet, it is very systematic, and also slow. So, no, this is not a video about these abroad stories and struggle stories of how I landed in this new place and everybody was very unfriendly and I got lost, because all of these things did happen. But I am figuring it out. I am taking one day at a time. So I have moved a lot of houses in Mumbai, but this move was my biggest ever. Unfortunately, Yatharth couldn't come to help me out. So I was the one who had to pack everything in the house and get going. And it was all the more difficult because we had just moved into this new house 2 years ago. So everything that we got in the house was new and fresh, and we had to pack everything up and bring it on to the new city. But then the goodbyes are always hard. It was really hard for me to say bye to my old house. It was very difficult because it was my dream house. I loved my little apartment in Mumbai. It was such a small, cute apartment, but I had to leave that and move countries for a better future. But as soon as I landed here, I saw my husband, I saw my friends, I saw some familiar faces, and things were okay again. I thought, chalo, it's not as bad. Last week, I opened my bags and I took out, so much of stuff, so much of familiar things that I got out of them, and I felt such a relief. And my clothes smelled of home, and in this completely new city, in a new house, when you see something familiar that is so close to you, it is just blissful. I'm sure whoever has moved countries especially would understand what I'm talking about. A little glimpse of familiarity is like life, like maa ke haath ka khana. Like wherever in the world you go and you get that dal chawal that your mother makes, it means the world to you. मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा वैसा ही feeling आया. But also, on contrary, when I opened my bags, I realized I had a lot of clothes. Like, lot. So when I was packing my bags in Bombay, I actually filtered a lot of stuff. I gave away a lot of things. I threw away a lot of things. But despite doing all of that, I still realized that I have so many clothes here. And half of them I have not used because, like everybody else, I was thinking कि एक दिन जब पतली हो जाऊंगी तब वो पहनूंगी. वो दिन अभी तक नहीं आया है. So let me show you what I got from Mumbai, which actually brought a smile to my face. My little book collection, my favorite mug, and the fridge magnets we collected all over the years, and so many more things. Apart from those cute little things and making my life a little softer, I'm doing bartan, cooking, cleaning, laundry, all on my own, and all of this is not cool. I miss Mumbai. I miss my home where I had taken house help for granted, I think. I think when you move outside country, at that time you realize how privileged your life was back home. But apart from that, coming to the good part of this city, there are so many surprises that I got in the first 2 weeks. Like, there is very less traffic here. People are always driving in their lanes. They are following rules. There is literally, I can say, 99% less litter in the city than what I found back home. The cabs, the cars will stop for you to cross the road. And that is privilege, my friend. I still struggle with that because I think that I should wait for the car. But no, the car waits for you. And then they go, which is amazing. But also unpacking your life. Other than things being very smooth to settle here, to unpack your life from a different country here, it can get a little overwhelming because you don't know people here and there is so much to settle in. Like, you need to make your home from scratch. From last 2 weeks, we have only been visiting IKEA, Danube Home, Pan Homes, Home Center, and some other local shop, and we are only home shopping. Like, as much as I really enjoyed making a house, it's exhausting. The houses here are very spacious, unlike anything in Mumbai. You actually get so much space and you don't know what to do with it because you are coming from a matchbox. But my cat is having a good time. He took like at least a week to sniff every corner of the house and understand and get familiarized with the smells, rubbed himself on all the furniture around the house. And now he's fine. Now he knows where the bed is. Now he knows he has found his spot. Now he knows where the dining table is, where to go, where to sit, where to hide. That was one of my worry, that how Zuko will get adjusted to it. But I think within a week he was fine. He was quite brave actually. I thought once he'll come in, I thought he'll be quite aggressive and he'll definitely attack one of us. But none of that happened. He took his time, he explored the whole place. For that entire 1 week, or even now, he is very close to Yatharth. He doesn't leave his side. Like, any moment he gets, he goes and cozies up with Yatharth. But now he's fine. Now he's understanding. He's still getting familiarized because it is so quiet here. So even there is a little bit of sound, he gets startled. Even I get startled because it is very quiet and we are not used to living in so much quiet. That's that actually. I just wanted to slowly unpack my life and share it because it really helps me also understand where my life is going. I just started my work yesterday. So now I just want to make a routine for myself. It will still take some time, I think, because we are still new and we are still adjusting. Like, we still don't know how much does it cost every month, how much is the groceries, and how many times do we have to go down to get the groceries. So all of those things will actually happen in a month or so to understand कि खर्चा कितना हो रहा है भाई. Once that is settled, I think we'll pretty much be on track. Starting your life in a new country is tough, guys, but that I'm going to leave for another video. If anyone has actually moved countries, and I'm sure there are many of you who have moved countries, and I salute all of you because it's not as easy as you think it is. You miss home, you miss friends, you miss familiarity, and you miss house help. And on this sad note, मैं जा रही हूँ मुझे बर्तन धोने because वो बुला रहे और कपड़े भी सुखाने हैं और आज झाड़ू भी नहीं मारा मैंने. सो या बहुत सारा काम मेरा बाकी है और मैं ये सब केओस के बीच में मेकिंग अ वीडियो. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you come back to listen to more of my bakwas. Please like, share and subscribe and tell me if there is anything that you want to know about Abu Dhabi, if there's something that you want me to make a video on. I'm just going to try and share about my life as much as possible. And I hope you relate with it. Just drop in to say hi. It'll be really nice. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Mwah.